Hey guys, welcome to Food House. I'm Nate, so I'm in the studio. It's Daddy Daycare today, so I want to try some fun recipes for Cinco de Mayo for you, and I didn't want the kids to hold me back from filming, so you're joining me today, right boys? Come here, come say hi. This is Titus. Say hi. How old are you?
5 and 10.
What? How old are you?
5 and 10.
He's 5 and 10. And come here, buddy. Come here. Wow. And Gideon. What's up, dude? This is my. Give me a kiss. I love you. So I figured since I've got my babies around, I'm gonna do some popsicles. We're gonna do one for adults and one for kids. So if you guys have ever had coconut lime popsicles, they're pretty amazing. I think you guys are gonna love it. It's really simple. Let's jump right into it. So let's start with our limes. This is really simple, just a few ingredients. We need lime juice, we need some coconut milk, some coconut cream, and a little bit of honey. So we're gonna give this a nice little roll just to loosen up some of those juices. Now this is a really fun dish for Cinco de Mayo because it's like something you can do the night before, put in the freezer. Whoa, hey, quit wiggling my tripod. What, I got kids or something? Hey, come here. Hey, boys, I don't want you playing over there. Let's start with one. I made these the other day and I wasn't super thrilled about how much lime. It was more lime than coconut, so let's try to do a bit more coconut today. All right, so we're gonna take a bowl. Now I've got full fat coconut milk, not coconut water, we need coconut milk. So we're gonna add equal parts of coconut milk and coconut cream. Now, if you've never seen coconut cream before, it looks like this. I'm using Coco Lopez. It's really, really sweet, so it's almost like sweetened condensed coconut milk, if that makes any sense. But let me open it all the way up and you can see what it looks like. These little skewers. So you can see, Rick, if you're getting really close. But that's all like the little fat hanging out on top, but underneath it, it's like syrup. So we're gonna break it up just a little bit. If you heat this up, it'll all kind of smooth out. So we're gonna add some of the fat on top and some of that syrup. It's so delicious. If you're a coconut fan, you've never had coconut cream, woo, it's awesome. All right, now we're gonna add the juice of one, you know what, let's start with half of a lime. Perfect. Now we're gonna take a whisk and we wanna whisk everything so there's no lumps. We want it to be very, very smooth. So we're just gonna whip it until it's nice and smooth. All right, sweet. Now I have some of these cool little red solo cups. Have you seen these? We're gonna take a couple of these little bad boys and we're gonna pour some of our mix right over the top. There we go, that looks good. Now I have some of these are like little wooden skewers that you can buy. I'm gonna cut those in half. Yeah, buddy, what's up?
I will go pee.
Can you wait a minute? Or you need to go right now?
No.
Right now. Okay, gotta take a break.
Yeah.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drizzle just a touch. I'm gonna kind of do it thin, just like that. Not a whole lot, but this is gonna give us a little layer of gorgeous. You can skip this part if you want to, or you can add the honey when you mix. But this is kind of a fun little trick. So I'm gonna take just a little bit of tin foil, and now we're gonna stick our skewers on top of the tin foil, and it's gonna keep our little popsicle stick in the right place while we put it in the freezer. So I'm gonna put these here on a little plate. I'm gonna put our little tin foil over the top, kind of like that. I'm gonna take our skewers and go right into the middle. That once they freeze, they have a little popsicle stick. All right, and we're gonna go in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. All right, and when they're all finished, through the magic of television, right?
Yeah.
Am I right? All right, so they look like this and they're gorgeous and perfect. Hey, is that cold? Yeah. Feel it. So what I have here is just some really hot water. So I'm gonna take my little popsicle, I'm gonna put it in the hot water.
Whoa.
And let it just melt just a second around the outside. Yeah, you can help. Hang on one second. See if it's ready. There we go. And it pulls out. Look at this awesome popsicle. You want to try it? Yeah, I'll try it first. Dang. Whoa. Is it good?
Yeah, I want to try the one.
You want to try that one? Mm-hmm. Okay, you want to try it? There you go. Oh, leave it. Let it sit for a second. Okay, wait. Nope, let it sit. Let's count to 10. 1, 2. Count with me. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 4, 7. Okay, it's done. Okay, pull. Pull. All right, try it. Oh wait, Gabe wants to try.
Try it. Good?
What do you think?
Huh?
Is it good? Sweet. All right, so there's the kid version. Kid approved. Apparently, here. Do you need a? Hang on, I gotta get another chair. Hold this.
Try that. I'll do it.
Here, hold it.
That was just so good.
It is so good. All right, so now for the adult version, what I like to do is take just like either like a large shot glass or a small bowl like this. And today I'm using Kraken. If you haven't had Kraken before, it's pretty phenomenal. I'm a big fan. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Kraken to my little container.
You want a bite?
So then when I would serve this, I would probably serve it kind of like this. So then I would give it to whoever is hanging out at my party, just like this, and by the time they got to it, hopefully it would be melted. Or you could put it in the water the way I did before, just to melt. Let's pull it out, there we go. And then, so here's the fun part. So you dip your delicious popsicle in your rum. Oh dang. And so the more you do this, it is so good. Hey, you guys can't have this one. But the more you dip into your little shot glass or bowl of rum, so your popsicle is gonna start melting. So by the time you're finished with your popsicle, you've got this wicked little mixed drink that you just made. Oh, hang on, you need some help? Pull it, pull. Good job. Coconut, lime. Oh no! Popsicle down! Hurry! Before it melts, that's right. Here you go. 5-second rule. Don't tell mommy. So here goes. This is a really fun, cool recipe. Really simple. I mean, it's just a couple of ingredients. You can make them for the kids and you can have them for the adults. So if you're having a Cinco de Mayo party, it's a really fun little favor, little party favor. Deliciousness. Easy. What do you think, guys? Delicious? All right. So I hope you guys dig it. I will see you guys next time on Food House. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.